this channel in a long time. Life happened, that's all I can say. After getting that virus, we moved, and then work has tripled for me and my husband. So the whole unpacking process and the whole moving process was actually really slow. It's taking a while, and we haven't really done much, so I can't even find my tripod. I don't have my desk right now, so that's why I haven't really been able to film anything. I've also been really away from planning and journaling because I don't have my supplies. They're stashed in a box somewhere, and that is why I haven't been here. It's really hard living without a planner or a journal, especially at this time when so much change is happening in my life. But I really hope to get back to it soon, and this is also why I thought I would pop on over and do this super quick video. I'm just going to share some of my planners for the year. I know it's already April and I'm just sharing this, but yeah, that's life. So yeah, this is my happy planner haul. I actually did a really quick haul video over on my Instagram page. I'm Nobody Calls Me Leah there if you would like to follow me. But I would like to do a full flip through here. So this is my everyday planner for the year. It's the recovery layout. I love what it says in the front. You are exactly where you need to be today, which is really a great description of my life right now, and I love it. And then this one is my recipe planner. I actually have the notes version of this somewhere. I really intended that to be my recipe planner. For some reason, I never got around to it, and maybe it's because I just thought it was too small. I didn't have much space to do anything, which is why I decided to go for the full-sized one this year. We'll see if I get around to actually journaling some recipes. I would love to get my parents' recipes written down, so that's what this is for. And also because I can never remember any recipes, so yeah. And then this one is the abstract watercolor recovery sticker book. I love it so much. It's gonna go great with the planner, so I'm really excited to use this. For my planner this year, I went with a classic. I used to have minis. I've been using them for years. I just wanted to shake things up and see where the classic will take me. Okay, so here's a look at the pages. I'm going to put on some music now and we'll get started.